Okay, here we are, Kenny G's Dish of the Week gone live here for the first time ever in Newcastle Harbour. So what we're cooking here today is a yellow fish curry, and some of you may be familiar with my Dish of the Week, and whenever I cook my Dish of the Week, before I do it, I have a few shots of tequila. As you can see, I've already had a couple. Okay, ready to cook. So how I'm going to start off is here. I'm going to start with the onion. You can all take some notes. Maybe you can do this at home and impress your wife, kids, family next time they come over for dinner. So I'm going to start off by finely dicing, or not finely, just roughly chopping some onion, some brown onion. That's my preferred onion for the dish. Should be good. I'm just going to add this to the pan, just as it is. Doesn't need to be finely chopped, just nice and rough. You know, it's a curry, so it's going to reduce down in the pan anyway. And then we'll go with some ginger. Don't need much, as you probably all know. Ginger's a very strong flavour, so just a little bit, just a little bit. So we'll just peel the skin off. Okay, so we've got the ginger here, so just roughly chopped. Doesn't need to be anything special for the chopping skills. Throw them in there like so. We're going to get some chili. Some chili here. We've got some chili. You beauty, you beauty. Actually, I think it's time for another tequila. You know, we've been doing a lot of cooking here. It's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon out here on the Newcastle Harbour. You know, obviously, in free time, you can drink as much tequila as you like and cook. That's what cooking's all about: relaxing and enjoying yourself. So you got to enjoy yourself. Ooh. And I must say, I am enjoying myself. Okay, back to it. So now we've got the ginger in, I'm going to get some chili. Mind you, don't try this at home because sharp knives are very sharp. Could quite possibly be dangerous. I'm trained, so it's alright. Still, could be dangerous, so don't try it at home. Okay, so now we've got some chili here. We're going to throw it in here. Bit of chili. Okay, that's some lemongrass. Everyone loves the lemongrass, especially in an Asian style curry. And it's a fish base, so you need a bit of lemongrass. I'm going to chop off the trim bit here, and then go from there. So we cut it in half. Nice and fine, nice and fine. Okay, so I'll throw a bit of lemongrass in there. You beauty! I think it's time for another tequila. It's, you know, as I said, you got to enjoy yourself. Now another tequila. Wash that down with some VB. Okay, here we go. So now the main ingredient is a yellow fish curry. So for flavour and the intense, or the subtle yellow colour, we're going to add some turmeric, fresh turmeric. Never use the powder stuff. You always got to go fresh, because a fresh product means a fresh dish. So we're just going to trim the skin off here. Trim the skin off the turmeric. Mind you, I have had a few tequilas, so, you know, there we go. Now we get the trusty microplane. We're just going to grate the turmeric into the dish. It's very fast. Microplane, you can't go without a microplane in the kitchen. Get all that off there. want it all in the dish. We want it all in the dish. And then, as you can see, most of the pulp is still on the microplane. So we're just going to scrape that off, get it all in there. Okay. Now usually, as I only have, say, there you go, it's fired up. Now as I usually only have like, you know, I don't want to put on too long a video. So this is what I do. This is what I prepared earlier. But what I would do is, I would put this on the hot plate. And then I would add some full cream milk. Some full cream milk. Not a lot, just a little bit. Put it in there, say about this much, and I'll reduce it down. I'll reduce it down to a more thick consistency. Okay, give it a bit of a stir. You can see the yellow flavours. You can see the yellow flavours coming through already. And then once this reduces down, and the onion is nice and soft, then you add a bit of coconut cream, as fresh as it comes out of the can. Add a bit of this one, and you reduce this right down until it's like a thick consistency. And then you come up with something like this, which is what I prepared earlier, because I don't have enough time to reduce it down for you on film. Okay, so we give this a bit of a stir, heat it up. And I'm going to serve it today. I'm going to serve it today in this bowl. I like this bowl. Okay, so I'm going to, right here. Actually, that takes too much time. So I'm just going to like pour it in carefully. I'm going to give it a little bit of a white for presentation style. I'm going to garnish it with some fresh coriander that the mate cameraman has freshly got from the supermarket. Your beauty, just like this. I'm going to like chop some chili, just for some added appeal. Put it like this, and there you go. This is Kenny G's yellow fish curry, ready for action. You beauty. If you taste this, you will love it. Kenny G's live dish of the week, live in Newcastle Harbour. Once, keep an eye out on the Facebook page. Kenny G's dish of the week is coming to you soon. You beauty.